Just got something in the mail that I'm super excited about, and I had to open it. Here, hold on, I'm gonna turn on the light. There we go, put a lot of light on the situation. Oh, I know what it is, I'm so excited. Y'all, it's so pretty. I hope that it's what I think it is. I hope it's really nice. Okay. Oh, like we know exactly what that is, right? Thanks for showing, bye. No, I'm kidding, of course. This is the cover for a notebook that I bought on Amazon. It's not, I don't think it's a hobonichi, but it's kind of in a hobonichi style. I hope that the plastic was loud enough. These tassels are very, very, very extra. Wow, those are some tassels. Those are professional tassels, aren't they? Those are from the land of tassel. Okay. So, this is going to be my new notebook cover, or my new planner cover for next year, for 2023. It's got this silk, probably not real silk, but it's a fabric cover with this beautiful design. It's kind of in a mint bluish kind of green color. And if I could put my hands on it, I can put my hands on it. Hold on, I'm going to show. This is what's going to go in it. This is my project that I'm working on. This is my Stalogy that I am going to hobo a little bit. I'm going to stuff it up. And I'm going to put this in here. But I'm going to set up the inside like a hobonichi. I'm going to do the months, the weeks, and then have the dates at the back. And again, this is the front of the Stalogy, the way normal people would use it. I've already put a stencil in there. This is the way normal people would use their Stalogy. But I don't do that. I don't like the space at the top. I want that at the bottom. I don't like this writing up here. I don't need it. I don't use it. So, I flip it over. Flip, flip, flip the planner over. Flip, flip, flip it over. Flip it over. And I hope that's not copyrighted by It's Always Sunny. So, this is an A5 Stalogy for the whole year. And if it doesn't last the whole year, I'll just get another one. And it's going to go inside here. Oh my gosh, how neat. How pretty. It feels like, I know it's not leather, but it feels like a faux suede. So this will go in like this. And then you bend the cover back real good and pop it on in here. How cute! Oh, I love it. I'm so excited. I love it. Oh my gosh, you know what I'm gonna need? The perfect pen. See, on the hobonichis, they've got the pen loops hold the pen and provide the closure, and I'm sure this is going out of focus. So that's how I'll hold that. How cool! I am super excited about this. I love it. I think it's beautiful. It's exactly what I thought it was, and it's exactly what I wanted. So I am thrilled with my choice for 2023. Now, stay tuned. Hit like and subscribe and follow the channel, because you're going to see this turn into my 2023 planner. And it's a lot of work, yes, but this is what I want to do. I just don't like pre-printed planners. I like doing it myself, because I can set it up exactly the way I want to. I hate it when there's a line and it says tasks, and then it says this, and I'm like, but that's not what I want to use that for. So that's why I set my own up. Oh, look at this. It's got so many pockets. It's got, oh, that's not a pocket. This is a pocket. And then a little, it's so smooth. I really like the feel of this. It's very tactile. This is like nice and smooth, and it feels good. I love it. I'm gonna see what I can do. I'm not sure about the tassels. I feel like I'm gonna try them for a little while, but they're gonna get all funky, and I won't like that for very long. I won't like it for long term. And I'll also be upset when the tassels, if they get like ruined and funky, that'll upset me too. So like, should I cut them off before then? I don't know. I don't know. We're not gonna make a decision today. We're just gonna enjoy this today. And stay tuned, because this is going to become a brand new faux-bonichi. I think that that's a word that other people use, faux-bonichi. I'm gonna faux it up. I'm gonna stuff it up. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.